To our distinguished and dynamic guest speaker, Honorable Miguel Luis Arvidio Pertec, the 5th District Congressman. To our dedicated Municipal Mayor, Honorable Jeffrey S. Senior, our esteemed Public School District Supervisor, Dr. Annabel Aymota, our ever-supportive School Principal 4, Dr. Irma P. Escuro, Revered Assistant School Principal 2, Ma'am Jovita P. Bulanib, Responsible Senior High School Coordinator, Ma'am Arabella D. Mendez, SPTA officials headed by President Ruel C. Curtis, to our understanding teachers, loving parents, friends, fellow graduates, a heartwarming afternoon. Generation of Unity, partners for the new Philippines. What does it mean by the word unity, and how does it transform the Philippines into new? These questions lingered in my nerves as I was tasked to deliver a welcome address today. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have read numerous definitions about unity, this has stricken in my attention. It tells, unity is considerable as a pulling force for individuals to join as a whole or oneness of a group, and in an absence of diversity, no one should ever be left behind, and no one must be left as peace. Ladies and gentlemen, today is just a celebratory ceremony for us, but rather, I see this day as a force that pulls everyone's up in an uphill climb. As the Department of Education continuously improves its stakeholders, we will also continue to strive to realize our full potential. As we continue this celebration of success, let us not forget our guiding force that allows us to reach our desires, including our supportive parents, our humble school, teachers, classmates, friends, and our loving Father that watches over us. Not to prolong your agony, I officially welcome you all to the 8th commencement exercises of Senior High School with the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Thank you very much, and let us savor this momentous event.
Thank you, Jared. And now, to introduce our guest speaker this afternoon, we have John Leo D. Brenes, 12th Standing, and Mark F. Bulalakaw, grade 12 Youth.